Today we answer the query, how to buy shares of Limes Schlosskliniken AG. The company runs clinical and rehabilitation facilities in Germany, and its shares trade on Xetra under the ticker LIK.DE. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy LIK.DE, you need a broker account. I use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will be asked to verify your identity, usually with an ID, and to add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker LIK.DE to find the listing. Confirm you have the correct Limes Schlosskliniken AG share in the search results before proceeding. Open the asset page to review the company description and the price chart to confirm this is the right stock. Check the exchange's Xetra and the ticker matches LIK.DE. Click Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as a pending instruction. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it can confirm the purchase. Your new position will appear in the portfolio once executed, and you can monitor it there. For convenience, the example link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.